Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Nissan Armada Platinum. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 245,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, DVD player, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and Bluetooth. Thank you for viewing our 2008 Chevy Equinox.